Top 4 real estate books to read. Hello everyone, welcome to Real Estate TV. I'm Adan Jalo. Are you the person who just got interest for real estate? Then these books will be the beginning of your journey to become a real estate mogul. Therefore, watch the video till the end to not miss out any single information. Books gives you an in-depth knowledge and makes you retain information better, and that's where life-changing ideas and strategies are found. So to understand real estate business and entrepreneurship, you need to read books. I'm here to make your life easier, so I did the research and got the 4 books recommended you should start with. The first on the list is ABCs of Real Estate Investing by Ken McElroy. If you're thinking about investing in rentals, there's no better book out there. Ken shows the strategies to use and the right way to value a property and how to also manage it by minimizing expense and maximizing profit. The second book is Rich Dad, Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki. It's on how to build and grow wealth by investing in tangible assets such as real estate and small businesses. It rates as one of the best general reads on investing and personal finance of all time. But there's some key lessons to be gleaned for real estate investors. It's mainly on how to develop a wealth mindset that includes real estate as a focal point. Kiyosaki outlined a cash flow quadrant which differentiates about being an employee, self-employed, business owner, or an investor, and where you should be in the cash flow quadrant. The third book you should read is The Millionaire Next Door by Thomas J. Stanley. It talks about the 7 denominators of wealthy people, what they have in common, and if you can have the same discipline, you'll potentially be a wealthy person. Now let's go through the 7 denominators. 1. How to save money by living below your means. 2. How to use time, energy, and money efficiently. 3. Financial independence, not wealth artifacts. 4. No parental economic support. They all did it themselves. It's not by inheritance. 5. Self-sufficient adult student. They disciplined and taught themselves how to be a success. 6. Leverage the market. He called them the accidental millionaires. They bought right and held the properties long enough to make millions, all due to storing their money in real estate. The last denominator he talked about is they chose the right vocation, which is they just didn't happen to be successful. They worked for it, they climbed the ladder. The last book on the list we should start with is Out of the Deal by Donald Trump. It teaches you how to be in control of every negotiation. I guess that's why he became a president, isn't it? This will be extremely helpful when doing deals in real estate. He quoted in the book that sometimes by losing the battle, you will find a new way to win the war, which means never give up. All these books are written by successful entrepreneurs and real estate moguls. As you all know, to be the best, you learn from the best. I'm also going to take the books one after another and create a playlist where I summarize some chapters of the books. So therefore, please remember to subscribe, like. I'll see you in the future videos. Thanks for watching.